What's that you got there? What's that you got there? Sweet potatoes and rice cereal? Sweet potatoes and rice? Yeah. What a big boy you are, eating it all by yourself. Mmm. 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 Good job. Good job. What are you doing there? Giving up on the spoon? Mm-hmm. You need help? You want Mommy to get a big scoop for you? Here's a good scoop. Yum. Try again, Mama? Is that what you said? Do it again, Mama? There's a good scoop for you. You're having trouble with the scooping part, huh? Having trouble with the scooping part? Mommy's allowed to help you with that? Look at that mouth. Look at that mouth. Messy. Messy mouth. Do you want me to scoop? I'll scoop. 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 Yeah. You want everybody to see what a good eater you're turning into now? Finally? Finally? Dr. Hummel was right. Nothing to worry about. You'll eat when you're ready to eat. Ha ha ha. Yay! Good boy. Good boy. Here's some more. Oh no, your spoon. Where'd the spoon go? Oh, boop. I see it. I see it. Can Mommy clean up your face a bit? No? Alright. Here you go. It's an awful lot of it on your chin. No, thank you. I don't want any. Say bye-bye. Good boy.
He's asleep on the bottle.